Pokemon cards in nature. The world is a chaotic place, but simple things bring a smile to my face. Sunshine and nature heal the soul. Walk outside and complete your goal.
This tree's marked? Why is this tree marked? Oh,
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
It's gonna be a good day.
Sandy Dash. It's real, bro. Ho. Lively Stadium. Shit, no touch. It's a little. It's a really edge. Gastrodon.
Life is kind of like a pack of Pokemon cards. You have to open it up to see what's inside. You have to open yourself up to see what's inside of you.
Oh, I'm not with.
Pikachu EX! Woo! Beautiful.
That one was a dud, but it's okay.
Last pack luck. Last pack luck. Last pack luck. Okay. So last pack. What is it? I got it. Oh, Durant.
Sometimes life is about the destination, not the journey. You have to learn to appreciate the cards that you are dealt.